Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Firebase to Unity. First, navigate to the Firebase console and create a brand new project. Once your project is ready, register your Unity application by providing its package name for Android or bundle ID for iOS. After registration, download the platform-specific configuration file, either Google Services, JSON for Android or Google Service Info, PLIST for iOS. This file is crucial for your Unity project to communicate with Firebase. Next, you will need to integrate the Firebase SDK into your Unity project. Head over to the official Firebase website and download the Unity SDK archive. This archive contains several Unity package files. Drag and drop the core Firebase package and any other service packages you plan to use, like Authentication or real-time database, directly into your Unity editor. Unity will then import these assets, making Firebase functionalities available. Now let's configure Firebase within Unity. Take the configuration file you downloaded earlier, either Google Services, JSON or Google Service Info, PLIST, and place it directly into your Unity project's assets folder. Then create a C# script, perhaps named Firebase Initializer, and add code to call Firebase app. Check and fix dependencies async. And Firebase app. Default instance to ensure Firebase initializes correctly when your application starts. With Firebase successfully integrated and configured, you can now begin utilizing its powerful services. For instance, to implement user authentication, you would access Firebase Auth. Default instance and call methods like sign in anonymously async or create user with email and password async. Similarly, for data storage, you can interact with Firebase Database. Default instance or Firebase Firestore. Default instance to read and write data, enhancing your game with dynamic content and user features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.